Hello again everyone, hope you're all keeping well, cozy and warm as the temperature gradually drops. For today's video, I'm taking you to Mount Takao located on the northwest part of Kyoto. Now there's no train service up to this mountain, so taking the bus is the best way to go and it takes less than an hour. This area is quite a popular spot for taking leisurely hikes and for its spectacular full foliage. And it's also known for 3 historic temples situated within walking distance from each other. The first one is Kozan-ji Temple, established during the 13th century by monk Myo. This temple is recognized as a World Heritage Site. Now, aside from the spectacular surrounding bursting with vibrant fall colors, this temple also displays Chōjō Jinbutsu Gega, picture scrolls depicting playful animals. It's believed to be the first Japanese manga. About just being a replica, it's quite fascinating to see firsthand. And within a few minutes walk heading south, you'll find Saimyo-ji Temple. Although not as impressive as the other 2 temples, it's still worth checking out. The first thing you'll notice is a striking vermilion Shigetsuki bridge leading to the temple's entrance. And heading further south leads to the most visited temple in Takao, Jingo-ji Temple. As it's located way up, be prepared to climb multiple flights of stairs. Of course, you can make stopovers and relax at some of the cafes and restaurants along the way. Now, if you want to get rid of bike karma, go get yourself a kawarake nage. It's a small clay disc that you can toss as far as you can from a high vantage point, so you'll have nothing but only good karma. And if you get hungry from all that walking, there are plenty of restaurants in Takao which offers not only great Japanese food but also a stunning view, like this one, Kinsoite. Well, there you have it, Takao and its famous temples in fall. Do come and visit it when you can. It's absolutely worth it. じゃあまたね. Until next time.